Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to record voice on Macbook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you're interested in recording audio on your Mac, there are all kind of ways to do it. There are a number of third-party apps that can record your voice, but macOS also offers several tools that you can use with no installation required. Before you start record, make sure whatever mic you're using is on, connected and working. So to record, on MacBook, you can just use on voice memos. You can just find the app on the launchpad in your MacBook. So as you can see, here's the voice recording that I've recorded before. And if you want to record the new one, you can just click on the red button on that and you can start speaking on the microphone to start record. After that, you can just play the recording and you can edit, you can resume. If you want to resume the recording, you can just click on resume. After you finish record, you can just click on done. And in here, after you finish, you can edit by click on the up right corner here, edit. You can resume your recording and you can also delete maybe the part that you don't like. And here you can also uh, enhance the quality of your voice recording and skip the silent part on your voice recording. I'm sorry. So and here you can also change for the name. Maybe for the example, like this, you can rename your voice recording. After that, you can just share it, this voice recording to maybe to your Telegram or your WhatsApp and other application. So simple, right? So that is how to record voice on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you.